guys, it's me, Eva Creates here, and today we're doing a video on IKEA 308. Joined with my friend Lemon, your queen.
Yes.
So we had to find each other, but I'm scared because it's nighttime. I don't like this. And
I'm so slow.
And you know what? I just joined and I found a random house. And guess what?
Me?
There is an IKEA in this house, but it's stuck. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Bear_fun had their moment. Dark Hood 12143 left. Arnie B forgot to breathe.
What?
Yeah, he forgot to breathe. Dina 123 unfortunately died.
Oh. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, let's find each other.
I see someone. I see thing 1.
Thing 1 and thing 2.
Okay. I found someone. I found thing 1. Hi thing 1. Bye thing 1.
Wait, thing 1. It's thing 1 from Kevin the Hat. Go to the house.
Haha, thing 1. I'm gonna follow thing 1.
Girl, I'm at the edge of the map.
Ah. Wait, what? You're at the edge of the map? Wait, toilet. Oh, blue bin. Pick up rubbish bin. Yes, rubbish bin.
Rubbish. I'm scared.
Rubbish bin.
Oh my goodness. Whisper.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You found something? Just find food.
I'm next to food, but I found healing kits. Because there's usually healing kits around these areas.
I keep on finding arrows.
Yeah, 'cause
If
they're
being
everywhere.
chased by a boy, get out the terrifying both sides. What?
Toys? There's no
From pizza.
toys.
From pizza. I'm gonna eat
Toys?
pizza. Yeah. I'm gonna eat.
I don't like this toy. You go drop.
Wait. Oh my god, I'm also of the edge of the map and I see some beds. Like, oh my god, I see a bed.
What did you say?
Hey, I see a picture of slides. Oh my god, where's the slide? I want to slide.
You said it
Just
again.
one.
I have a
Oh my
slide.
god.
I have a slide now. I just found a slide.
Oh, slide. Wait. I can't see anyone. Oh my god.
Wait, I'm gonna go back to my base that I do not own, but now I do.
Okay.
I did the smart thing and put a waypoint. Smart? Yes.
Oh, it's on mirror.
Tell the freaks.
Don't mind me. I'm just gonna take this mirror, like a bloody Mary.
Wait,
Yeah.
bloody mirror.
Wait, I see you. No, it's thing 1 and mommy.
What?
I thought that was you. That was just someone else.
I found the cutest toy ever.
Yes,
Come with me.
yes, cute toy.
It's so cute.
Yes.
I wish I could see what it's on. Wait, what's this? I'm just wandering around.
Wonder.
What is this?
What
What
is
is that
that?
noise?
What? What?
This is gonna be my room.
Wait, I found a playroom.
Playroom.
slide. I found a toy.
Toy.
What is it?
Oh gosh.
It's a person sitting down with random accessories. It's Roblox player.
Robot. Right.
Which? Is it a boy?
Yeah.
Wait. I'm just gonna. It might be the one that I just went to.
Yes.
So you
I
just.
love birds.
So you stay there. And
Okay.
I'm gonna get it.
I just put them on the beanbag.
I don't think there's a bean bag. The one that I'm next to.
There's no beanbag.
Please.
Is that
I'm
crying?
not here. I
No.
might as well take this one.
Ooh, might as well.
I also found a girl one.
Ooh,
The girl one is like a neon purple. Oh, I found
Purple.
another 2 boy toys.
Boy,
Boy toys.
Oh no, the
Toy.
fog is coming.
Wait, the fog.
Yeah.
No.
Just a tip. That's what it is.
I'm coming out. I am going. I'm running like the Flash.
Sure. You wish, girl. You wish.
I whistle.
Just
Did you
take
hear me
this to
whistle?
my face.
No.
No, that means that you're not near.
Not near. Yeah.
I think I hear a whistle.
You hear the wish.
Did you hear someone whistle?
Yeah, in
Yes.
your.
That
This
means
is.
we're near. That means we're near.
I
Wait,
don't
you
know.
whistle? Whistle?
I need you guys. No. I need someone to help us.
Do you hear?
No.
Oh.
Wait, whistle again? Then my volume. Oh no! I have no idea what people said. I'm so scared. Oh, I found that.
Light.
I see a fish. I see a
Me
fish
embarrassed
boy.
because I'm doing sound effects
Ooh.
in the
Wait, there's a
background.
thick employee next to mine.
Mine.
No,
Place.
my
Place.
health is running out. I am so scared.
Scared.
I'm not.
Do you hear my
I
whistle?
lost it.
Do you hear my whistle?
No. I see you. I see someone called Poppy Playtime.
Yeah, that's me. Ah! Because my brother wanted me to do one of his videos again, so yeah. Yes, that's me.
Please, my health is so dead.
I have lots of food.
Where are you? I don't see your name anywhere. I
No.
don't see you anymore. I don't see you anymore. Yeah, I'm definitely lost. I only see loads of lights and chairs and beds. Oh, this stupid employee, literally. I am dying. Yeah, I
thought we would find each other already.
I thought you would stop moving. Wait, no, I'm so far away from you now. I didn't take fall.
Whee!
Oh no, I see a tall employee. They're just standing still long. Come on. They always chase us behind us. That's the annoying part.
Hello?
Did you hear someone whistle? It's me. Just no, is it?
Mia.
I'm gonna tell you when I
Mia
whistle, okay?
friend. Mia friend.
Where are you?
I'm at these
I found a base.
It's my base. It's my base.
let me whistle.
I didn't hear something before. Did you whistle?
Yeah, I whistled.
No, I didn't hear you.
What?
Where are you? I found a base. I'm just gonna, I found healing kits at this place. It's free healing.
I know what my place has free healing kits.
Wait, go to your base.
I am at my base.
Not you.
I got lemon.
Is your base have lots of beds? Like bunk beds?
No, I don't think so.
No, I'm at a place that has loads of bunk beds and lemons. Oh my, yes, I'm taking all of these lemons.
Because
Yes,
lemon
I
is
have
your queen.
lemon.
You are a lemon queen. Hee.
I stole someone's lemons. I don't know why I stole your lemon, but yeah, I'm just gonna steal your lemon.
I'm scared. It's been 11 minutes already. I'm gonna make this video like 20 minutes or something.
Wait, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
How did I forget?
I literally just told you. Why you didn't know we were recording?
I thought you stopped. Wait,
Why?
no. Do you have lemons at your base?
I ate all of them. Well, I think there's still lemons there though.
Well, I have a base. I saw a base that has bunk beds, and I stole your lemons.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Your queen is lemon. I'm going to whistle. Okay, let's move.
I didn't hear anything. I see you. Don't move. Don't move.
Okay,
Don't
I'm not moving.
move. Look at. No.
I'm not moving.
No, the name. I saw your name. Wait. Do you have a base that has loads of things covering it? Wait, go to your base.
I
Does your
am.
base have Mr. Penguin in it?
Yeah.
Oh no, I see an employee.
Eh.
So scared. I'm so scared.
Don't be scared. But there is an employee in my house. He is my friend because he doesn't attack me.
I'm not the employee.
I'm gonna search for food.
It's so annoying because every time I see your name, and when I get closer to your name, it disappears. Like that happens. To
I
you?
think you're going more far.
Not.
Even more far.
I'm in a base that's near the base I went to.
Oh no.
I see someone. It's Mia_Max. I keep on finding random people. Have you found anybody yet? Have you found anybody yet?
No.
Oh, not even one person.
No.
Someone took Mr. Penguin away.
Here's something. I just found someone when
Oh,
I
I
just
found
said something.
Hello.
Who's it?
But I think it's I
Squirrel.
think it was a robot though. He is a bot, I think. Maybe or was he just AFK? You'll find
Maybe
out
so
what I
too.
mean. You'll find out what I mean soon.
I'm scared. I'm just gonna eat this. I'm so scared. Is it foggy?
No.
Then why did I see it in police?
Someone whistled.
That wasn't me. Every time I go in fire, my screen goes laggy.
Ooh. Ah, the guy ate all the food. I hate when someone does that.
I'm so happy
Does
that there's
that.
lemons in the game.
Yeah. Good for you. Good for you. I'm gonna go back to my base with my friend Avocado Man.
Did you go back to your base?
I'm coming back to my base. I'm not at
Is there a
my
bunch of chairs covering the base?
base. No.
No. I found a base. Oh my god. I found a base. Why am I keep on finding random bases? There's no one in it. Why not? It's not work.
He's touching my friend.
We're not even gonna find each other.
I know, right? We're never gonna find them.
This video is gonna be for nothing. Just kidding, but like seriously.
Imagine if we could. Wait, I can reset. What if I spawn next to a base?
Oh yeah, do it.
I'm gonna reset.
You see what I mean?
I really want this guy to be killed.
You see what I mean? He's a robot. He's a bot.
This guy that keeps... I don't think he's even alive.
No, I didn't spawn next to your base.
Try again.
I spawned on the edge of the map.
My place is at the edge of the map. My base is at the edge of the map.
Wait, your base is on the edge of the map?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna look. Wait, I think I see your base.
Do you see a person named Girl 33?
No. I see a toy. It's a floating toy with an egg thing with a mustache. Wait. Eva?
Yeah?
Oh no. Oh no. I found a base, but you're not in it. I don't see anybody in it. I'm gonna reset again. Deaths. That doesn't count. Oh my god. I just reset it. Wait. But I see a bunch of people.
I'm only with one person that I'm pretty sure is not alive.
Oh no, I see an employee. I reset it and I saw a base with a bunch of people in it. Probably with most of the people in the server. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people in it. I'm so scared.
Wait, I can finally go on my slide that I installed. I'm pretty thrilled. Wait, there is no H in it. It's Doll.
I found a base.
Doll. Huh?
I found a base.
Is
You
it
found a
no?
base?
Yeah.
Is
A
anyone...
bunch of food in it. Wait, there's lemons!
Are you stealing my lemons?
No, I just found a random base.
I have lots of lemons in my base. Are you stealing from it?
No, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 lemons in it.
I have 4 lemons, you know.
Yeah, totally.
Wait,
I'm
go to your
lying.
base.
I am in my base!
Wait, is there a pencil light in your base?
No, I don't think so.
Oh my god! I'm gonna steal this lemon from this person. Steal it.
That's mean. That is mean.
Wait, no, it's actually 5 lemons.
Oh, wait, actually, wait, let me count again how much lemons I have. Yeah, I have 5.
Totally. I'm
There's
totally not
pencil
lying.
lights in this.
I am totally not lying to make you feel better.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna steal lemons from your place. Yeah, I'm totally gonna steal it.
I'm actually really scared.
Same! Cause of the toys, the little toys that around the place, it's scaring me. I always thought it was like the very small toys.
I have a friend that is an employee and it's small. I'm actually really scared.
Dang.
It's been 22 minutes. I think I'm gonna end the video off.
I gave it time.
If you guys want to make me do a part 2, remember, I don't know, comment? I don't know.
Or subscribe.
Yeah, or subscribe. But this was a big fail, so I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. This was a big failure. Bye. Say bye. Oh goodness. Okay, bye. Oh goodness.